Buyers, don't make this mistake. If you're thinking about entering the market to purchase a home, don't miss this crucial process. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. Good news for buyers, there's more inventory on the market and it may be lasting a little longer. So, as a buyer, before you start picturing yourself in your dream home, you must do this one important step: meet with a trusted lender. While affordability is still tight in some markets, meeting with a lender to get pre-approved will put you in a better position as a buyer. It will also give you a better picture of your finances and what you can afford. A pre-approval from a lender is an indication that they're willing to lend you a certain amount of money based on your credit and income. The combination of working with a great lender and an agent is your golden ticket to understanding what you can afford. This way, you can stick to your strategic budget and not fall in love with a house that you can't afford. It also puts you in a better negotiating position with sellers, as they now know that you're a serious buyer who's already undergone a credit and financial check. So before you go out and start shopping, be sure to meet with a trusted lender and agent for the pre-approval process. It will save you time, stress, and a lot of headaches knowing what you can actually afford versus what you cannot. If you would like more housing market information for your specific neighborhood, please feel free to reach out so that you can receive help and guidance on your next strategic move. I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity.